Hey, Mr. Freeman. I had a bunch of messages for you, but we had a system crash about 20 minutes ago, and I'm still trying to find
Welcome to the HEV Mark
ridiculous
IV
ties.
Protective Assist Hour for use in hazardous environment conditions. High impact reactive armor activated. Atmospheric contaminant sensors activated.
Well, right on through, sir.
Vital
Looks like you're in the
sign
barrel today.
monitoring activated. Automatic medical systems engaged. Defensive.
Dr. Freeman to anomalous materials test immediately.
Greetings!
Sorry, sir.
Ah, Gordon, here you are. We just sent the sample down to the test chamber.
We've boosted the anti-mass spectrometer to 105%. Bit of a gamble, but we need the extra resolution.
The administrator is very concerned that we get a conclusive analysis of today's sample. I gather they went to some lengths to get it.
They're waiting for you, Gordon, in the test chamber.
Please, leave me alone until
Bothered
after
right
the
now.
experiment.
Quick! It's about to go critical.
What the hell is going on with our equipment?
It wasn't meant to.
I'm afraid we'll be deviating a bit from standard analysis procedures today, Gordon.
Yes, but with good reason. This is a rare opportunity for us. This is the purest sample we've seen yet.
And, potentially, the most unstable.
Now, if you follow standard insertion procedures, everything will be fine.
I don't know how you can say that, although I will admit that the possibility of a resonance cascade scenario is extremely unlikely.
Gordon doesn't need to hear all this. He's a highly trained professional. We've assured the administrator that nothing will go wrong.
Ah, yes, you're right. Gordon, we have complete confidence in you.
Well, go ahead. Let's let him in now.
Testing. Everything seems to be in order.
All right, Gordon. Your suit should keep you comfortable through all this. The specimen will be delivered to you in a few moments. If you would be so good as to climb up and start corrosions, we can bring the anti-mass spectrometer to 80% and hold it there until the carrier arrives.
Morphine administered.
Very good. We'll take it from here.
Power to stage 1 emitters in 3, 2, 1. I'm seeing predictable phase arrays. Stage 2 emitters activating now.
Gordon, we cannot predict how long the system can operate at this level, nor how long the reading will take. Please, work as quickly as you can.
Overhead capacitors to 105%.
It's probably not a problem. Probably, but I'm showing a small discrepancy in... Well, no, it's well within acceptable bounds again. Sustaining sequence.
I've just been informed that the sample is ready, Gordon. It should be coming up to you any moment now. Look to the delivery system for your specimen.
Oh dear!
Gordon, get away from the beam!
Shutting down.
No!
Attempting shutdown. It's not. It's not shutting down. It's not.